Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
I will show how to mix portrait and landscape pages in Word step by step. Start with your document open and the cursor at the end of the page before the change. Go to Layout, Breaks, and choose Next Page or Continuous Section break accordingly. This creates a new section, so page orientation can differ without affecting other pages. Remember, you need one section break before and one after the landscape pages. Now place the cursor inside the new section, where you want the orientation changed. With the cursor inside the target section, open the Layout tab and choose Orientation. Select Landscape to rotate only the current section and leave other sections as Portrait. For precise control, open Page Setup, pick Orientation and set Apply to this section before clicking OK. If headers and footers should differ, double-click them and click Link to Previous to unlink. That ensures separate headers, footers, and different orientations within the same document. Save your document to preserve the section orientation changes. After changing orientation, scroll through the document to verify layout on every page. If the whole document changed, reopen Page Setup and set Apply to this section for the specific section only. Remove any extra section breaks that created unwanted blank pages or layout shifts after the change. Save the file with a clear name and export to PDF if you will share the document to preserve formatting. Reopen the PDF to confirm mixed portrait and landscape pages appear correctly for printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.